In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play 4-player chess with your friends on chess.com. If you've ever wanted to go beyond regular chess and try something more chaotic, more strategic, and honestly way more fun, this is the perfect game mode to try. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can set up a private match and invite your friends in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to chess.com. Once you're logged into your account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu with different options. Hover your mouse over the play button. When you do that, a sub-menu will appear. From that list, click on 4-player and variants. This is where chess.com keeps all of its alternative game modes. Once you're on the variants page, look for the section labeled Most Popular. In that section, you'll see an option called 4-player chess. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main setup screen for 4-player chess, where you can either join games or create your own. Now here's the important part if you want to play with friends. On the right hand side of the screen, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the Customize button. Click on that to open the game settings. Inside this menu, you'll find several options, but the one you're looking for is Invite Players. Make sure to toggle this option on. Once Invite Players is enabled, you'll see empty slots appear where you can add your friends. Simply type in your friends' chess.com usernames into each slot. You can invite up to 3 other players to fill the board. Take your time here and double check the usernames so you don't accidentally invite the wrong person. After you've added all your friends and filled the available slots, go ahead and click the play button. This will send out the invites, and once your friends accept, the game will start automatically. And just like that, you're now playing 4-player chess together. This mode is a lot more dynamic than regular chess, so expect more action, more unpredictability, and definitely more fun. It's perfect for casual games, friendly competition, or even just trying something new with your group. And that's it. You now know how to play 4-player chess with friends on chess.com. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.